Heya, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be showing you how to achieve this last minute Christmas party look. It's super easy to achieve. In this video guys, I already wore my favorite foundation and my eyebrows, but I didn't set my foundation with powder just yet. First, I'm gonna grab my Sunnies Face Fluffmatte in the shade Brunette. So this is from their nudish collection. By the way guys, I'm using a blush brush from Colorstay. So you can buy this as a set on Shopee for only 200 plus. So this is why I didn't set my foundation with powder just yet, because I'm going to be using a matte lipstick as a bronzer for my face. So the reason why I'm using the Fluffmatte in the shade Brunette as my bronzer is so that I can make the most out of my investment on my Fluffmatte. Now with the same lipstick, I'm gonna be using it as my eyeshadow. So, diba guys, sulit na sulit ko yung Fluffmatte ko. Nagamit ko na siya as a bronzer, gagamitin ko pa siya as an eyeshadow. So, I'm just using my index finger to apply it on my lids. You can also apply the lipstick directly on your lids if you want to, and then just blur it out with your index finger. You don't need a brush for this step, just your index finger. And now that's done, I'm gonna be using a new eyeliner sent to me by Mina. Now, I really do like this eyeliner because its felt tip is pretty long and slender, and it's really helpful when applying a wing. For this look, I'm only gonna be making a tiny wing on the outer corners of my eyes. Because I don't want to overdo my eye look, I just want to keep it simple, yet a little bit poppin'. Now to curl my lashes, I'm gonna be using my Boktoh lash curler, and my trick when using this lash curler is first I look straight and then I lift up my wrist just to give it an angle to curl my lashes even more, and this helps the curl of the lashes stay longer. So the mascara I'm gonna be using for this look is another one from Mina. So this is their mascara. I really love the wand of their mascara because it's very thin and slick. If you're not a fan of the lashes that clump, then this is for you because it will make your lashes look long yet natural. And now to set my face, I'm gonna be using Kathy Doll's translucent powder. You can buy this at Watson's. Translucent powders are pretty handy because it won't cake up your face throughout the day. So it's pretty handy, especially during events like your Christmas party. And to top off the look, of course, lipstick. I'm using the same lipstick that I used for my bronzer and my eyeshadow. The Fluffmatte may be for 345 pesos, but I got to use it as my bronzer, eyeshadow, and lipstick. It really did complete this look. But if you're not feeling the brown lippy and you're feeling more festive, then you can always whip out your favorite red lipstick. And in this case, I'm gonna be using, again from Sunnies Face, their Fluffmatte in the shade Major. Now, I love using this shade because it is a cool toned red. Cool toned red lipsticks won't make your teeth look yellow. And that's it! Even with simple products and simple steps, you can achieve a beautiful look for your Christmas party, kahit last minute pa. By the way guys, since it's the season of gift giving, I prepared this little present for you guys. I will be giving these products away to one lucky winner. Here are the giveaway instructions. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and comment your proudest moment this 2019, and of course your Instagram account. The giveaway ends on Friday, December 20, 2019, and the winner will be announced on my Instagram account at Makeup by Booya. So make sure to turn on the post notifications on my Instagram account so that you'll be updated on the announcement. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have beauty questions, makeup questions, then don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's at Makeup by Booya. Just remember, no hate, just love, and Merry Christmas!